Hi, this is the Hotwav T5 Pro and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So let's open first the settings and then tap to Network and Internet. To activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off, you should click to the switcher. Just after activating the Wi-Fi switcher, you should select one from the available networks and enter the password. Then just tap to OK, wait a second, and now we can see that our device successfully connected to this network. We could also switch just the networks here by the same way. Select the network, enter the password and tap to connect, and after that you'll find them here in Save Networks list and you can switch between them. Also, we get one more way how we could do that. Just open the control panel and find here Wi-Fi icon. Just click on this icon to activate Wi-Fi option or to turn it off, and to launch full Wi-Fi settings, hold it for a while and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.